In India today, finding a genuinely good toy has become extremely difficult. After the government restricted toy imports, particularly under the new policies initiated by Modi ji, the whole industry has gone through a major shift. But instead of pushing us forward, this change has exposed a harsh reality. Most Indian toy manufacturers are just copying and pasting existing products. No real innovation, no original ideas, just the same toys in different packaging. And what's worse, brands are burning their money trying to become direct-to-consumer sensations. They're spending lakhs on building their own websites, running expensive Google and Meta ads, hiring influencers, managing social media, handling logistics, customer complaints, returns, all this effort for a toy that's not even unique to begin with. We're wasting time, energy, and valuable resources that could be used somewhere better. Because let's be honest, how many D2C toy brands in India are actually working? Very few. Most of them are bleeding money with no clear path to profitability. That's where Naivri comes in. We're not just a kids' store, we're trying to build a smarter toy ecosystem. And here's our offer. If you're a toy manufacturer or brand, we'll create your catalog for free. Yes, completely free. Our only request, stop chasing short-term D2C hype. Instead, pivot that same energy and budget towards creating fresh, original toy ideas, and focus on building strong B2B relationships. That's where the real long-term value lies. Naivri already has access to direct customers. We understand what sells, what kids actually want, and what parents trust. Use our platform and our experience to take your toys to the right audience. Not by shouting louder, but by being better. Let's stop copying, let's stop wasting, let's build something truly original together.